Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is my big moving day. If this is the first time you've been on my channel, then my name is Immie and I'm moving into the University of Southampton today to study linguistics and Spanish. I'm very excited but very nervous, which I think is normal, to be fair. I think especially with Corona and everything, like it's even more scary going to university, especially with the threat of lockdown and not being able to come home at Christmas possibly. So that's definitely scary, but I've just got to go and stick it out. But hopefully I'll settle in quickly and have a good time there, and just gotta think positively. I've got to think that I am coming home at Christmas, not that I'm not. I need to like think that mindset. So also sorry if my voice is croaky, it's really early in the morning, it's like 7:30. I woke up at 6. My voice is not fully here yet because I'm still really tired. We're leaving really soon. I think we wanted to leave at 7:30 but it's already gone 7:30, so I have a 1 hour time slot to move in to my halls from 10 to 11, so only one person is allowed to come up with me because of COVID to help move me in, which is a shame, but my whole family are coming up to Southampton with me. So I've got my dad, my sister and mum, but my dad and my sister will kill time while my mum helps me move in. So that's the plan, that's the rundown, and yeah, I guess we should just go to Southampton now. Hey sis! Oh my god, okay, let's go! Should I go for one down? I've just been putting all my clothes away in the wardrobe. That's what I'm working on at the moment, but the room is full of stuff, so I don't really know how long this is going to take. I feel like it's going to take a long time, but then I'm going to go out for a meal with my family and I don't really know what I'm going to do this evening, so we'll see. So nice. It's fine. Okay, we're making the bed and now, hello, look how nice it looks. We need to go and buy storage boxes from Wilko and a bunch of other stuff, so we're gonna go and do that in a minute. We just got back from Wilko and I'll show you what we bought. So I bought 2 of these storage drawer units. So there's one and then there's the other, and I'm just gonna put them here by my desk and they'll just be really good because it gives me so much more storage. So yeah, we're just going to spend some time now filling the boxes with a load of food and stuff because I don't actually have many cupboards in the kitchen, so that's the plan. I lied. Actually, we're gonna go for dinner now. We're gonna go to Nando's hopefully if it's not too busy, and I'm gonna go with my family now, and then hopefully when I'm back we'll fill the boxes. So yeah, that's the plan actually. Hey guys, so it's actually the next day now and I'm really sorry I didn't vlog much yesterday. It was just so hectic moving in and saying goodbye to my family and sorting my room out. My room is still such a mess. I still have so much to sort through, but I had my last night in my bed last night and I slept okay. The bed isn't the most comfy, but it's fine, and I've just been having a really good time getting to know my flatmates, meeting some new friends, and it's been really good. I will be doing a room tour at some point sometime soon, so look out for that, but I'm not going to show you my room right now because it's just a tip. So yeah, I think that's everything. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, I would love you to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and also subscribe to my channel because it would mean so much to me. Yeah, look forward to more university content soon, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.